All right, y'all. So I am going to start with red since it is already unwrapped and out of the box. There was a denim drop today, y'all. I thought I was safe from it. As you all saw in my previous video, I went to, well, I had to go return the Coach Tabby in the color pecan. And well, you'll see it in a second video when you all know, just due to the weather, it was actually closed when I tried to go return it before the snow actually fell. The store closed early because it was going to snow that night. So anyway, I didn't make it. So I ended up going today, y'all. I thought I was safe, but I was not. I thought I was just going to return the Tabby and be able to leave. I, of course, recorded a video for you all, which I will upload later. And if you all are watching and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. And thank you again to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really appreciate everyone. So again, I thought I was safe. I started recording, y'all, and I started seeing all of this. So of course there's 3 different colors that came out with this particular signature denim drop. There's a red, which you see here now. There's a black denim, and then there's a blue or indigo denim is what it's called. So in this video, you will see, y'all, I got something from each of those colors for this drop. This, of course, is a corner zip. I already showed you all the code, color code, and everything for it. I hope it doesn't look burgundy on frame because it's not. So let me try without additional lighting. Also in this video, I am going to compare the current signature denims to the previous signature denim drop for the black, the blue, and I have a retail signature jacquard in the red. All right, so that was the corner zip, and I don't know how long this video is going to be, y'all. Like I said, I have colors from each drop, so I'm going to try not to make it too lengthy for you. So this is a mini ID card case in the signature denim True Red as well. And it's called True Red, but when we get to that, you all, I believe it's a mixture of the True Red and the Ruby. So this has 2 card slots in the front and then an ID slot back here in the back, and then a zipper compartment for bills or change or additional cards. So that's that item. We got 2 done so far. And if you all have seen my previous videos, when it comes to wristlets, I am a fan of the double zip wallet because it's a wallet and a wristlet all in one, and it can hold most cell phones. So it's really like a little mini purse. So this is the double zip. And I put all of the wristlet straps inside, which I like. And again, this is a double zip wallet is what it's called. You can see the code for it there. And that's because it has built-in card slots inside. I think it's a total of 8. And then a full pocket here where you can easily place bills. Let me put this back in here. And then a full compartment here on the front. So that is the double zip. And as you see, it does have the silver hardware on it. And just a comparison to my signature jacquard that I have. If you all remember when I unboxed these shoes and the matching bag, there was not, I actually missed out on the accessory in the color ruby. But this matches, y'all. Even though it says True Red, this is the retail ruby and they are the same color. So I hope that helps if you have some retail that you're trying to match to the outlet drop. They are indeed the same color. of course, the signature portion is different, but that can still actually go together, even though there's more of a cream or tan color in the retail signature jacquard. So, of course, I made it over to the men's side, y'all, and they always have beautiful hidden gems on the men's side. I think so. So, I did not see an actual, a bag in the red on the women's side that I wanted. But when I saw this sling, I went ahead and got it. As you see, it says ruby red for the men. And this is a West Pack sling. And I'm going to put this beside here so that you can see, like, although this says, again, it says True Red for the ladies' red signature, it's the same color. So True Red for women, Ruby Red for men on the outlet side, and all three color names are the same color. They match the retail ruby. All right, y'all. So we got one more red item to open, and I didn't give you a tour of the sling backpack. I'll definitely do that because I do have male subscribers as well as female subscribers that love items from the men's side. So with the sling pack, you do have the strap here that you can actually wear it crossbody on either side. And feel free to comment, y'all. Let me know if y'all are getting anything from this drop or not. And again, with the silver hardware, you can connect it here on this side or this side when you wear it as a sling. I'm just going to connect it on this side here. And you have the Coach embossment there on the front, Coach New York. And y'all, this was the last one. It was sitting up on the table. I asked if they had any that were wrapped. They did not. So I hadn't been long gotten to the store. I was still looking around, but when she said it was the last one, I went ahead and got it off of the table. So when you see the video, you'll see that this is not in it, and that's because I had already, I don't know if I can get that out, y'all, right now. I don't want to take up too much time getting it out, but it's just a full pocket inside. But she said it was the last one because there were other customers and men and women on that side looking. I went ahead and got it off the table before I even started recording. So it does have a double zip. It zipped down on each side. And see if I can get this stuffing out. I would say it's a good size bag. Of course, you can carry, just hold it as a top handle carry just by carrying it like this if you want to. And I do have this in the black signature leather as well. So that's a look at the inside. No additional pockets with zippers, but there is a slip pocket here in the back. And it does go all the way to the bottom. And y'all, I believe this sling pack was $119 if I recall. So I figured that that was a pretty good deal for a bag this size. And of course, I feel like they make the men's bags a little bit more sturdier than the women's. So that's a full look at it. All right, y'all. So on to the shoes. Now, I actually was not thinking about this drop, y'all. I went online looking for something else this morning, and I saw the Denim pop up. I didn't even know these shoes were being released. So I was about 2 hours late getting online to get anything, really. The shoes is what stood out for me. It wasn't a bag or anything I wanted. I thought about the accessories, which I did end up getting. This was sold out online in my size. As you all know, I wear a size 11. I call it the Long Foot Gang, LFG. And the 11s were gone. It was just the 10 remaining. And so the only color I was able to get online was the black. Of course, that won't be delivered for a few days. And so when I went in the store today, y'all, they had one of each in a size 11. So I got the, and let me know, because once I receive the 11, it's going to be delivered probably sometime next week, especially with the weather still going on. You can email me if you are looking for an 11 in the black, and I'll unbox that here shortly. If you're looking for an 11 in the black, email me, and let me know. And if not, I'm going to return it because I don't need 2 pairs of the same shoe. I don't think I do. But this is a look at it, y'all. I tried one on in the store, and it is very cushiony and comfortable. I will say that depending on the width of your foot, if your foot is pretty narrow, it might slide forward. But if you have like a medium width foot or even a wide foot, this is wide foot friendly. You will have plenty of room there, and you should be able to maintain your placement in the shoe. But this is it for the red pieces. I think they are very, very cute together.